Kasi na. Yo, siya lang
GA
on
na
the
lang
ground.
mamaya yung
Wait,
Arcane.
wait,
Hindi
wait.
makapasok yung isang kampi natin. Ano yan?
Hindi yan. Sino Ben?
Yung healer. Party 2.
Huh?
Click.
Yo, wait. After the guard run. Yo, shallow na on the ground. Wait. Inch up a bit. 3, 2, 1. Shallow now on the ground. Shallow now. Yo, come back. Tanks, hold them. Tanks, hold them. DPS up.
Judy, dropping Judy.
Walk in.
Puta na ubos sila sa demon park.
Potion, walk in. Cool down. Give me cooldown. Potion, walk in.
10 seconds.
Potion, walk in. Yo,
Long-
get ready.
long
10
city, long
seconds
city.
engage, okay? Keep rolling.
5.
Yo, come back sa atin, Sabit. Yo, look north now. Yo, on the
Tama,
ground.
ready.
3. Wait. Hold. 2, 1. Southwest now. Oh, fuck. Kill this guy. Nice kill. Come back. Tanks, hold them.
Pail.
Come back.
Hold on, Perma.
Guys, come back. Just come back. It's okay.
20 Perma, 20 Perma.
Still good.
Ready.
Dropping Judy.
Yeah, help me.
Here's on Judy.
Top fuck. Yo, cooldown ready? Cooldown?
Ready ako.
Hindi pa ready Perma. 5 pa, 5.
Wait. Just hold.
Full out sila.
Come out a bit.
Perma ready.
Wait. Hold here.
Pull out lang yan ah.
Pull out. Nagpo-pull out.
Just hold, guys.
Ano?
Just hold.
Yan. Sige
Hindi
lang.
pa sila nag-OOC. Baka nag-mount up? Wait, ano ba?
They going southeast. It's okay. Let them.
Pinuhos
Open world yung gusto
They
nila.
mount up.
Iikot yan.
Gago par, kaya natin laban open world to par, gago. Kaya lalaban ka pa.
No.
Pagtapos ng castle.
Ay, yo. Southeast.
Tapos may magbabash sa likod na yan, Pax.
Camera.
90%.
Sige lang. Yo, DPS camera.
Dismount
Nag-guard
kayo
doon,
pagka
nag-guard. Papik nga.
40% ah. At
Wait. Inch up a bit, okay? 3, 2,
Tingin yung
1.
likod.
Inch up. This is a pick. Sabay ka awesome.
Anong ginamit nila? Nagme-mag-demon ba
Yo,
sa
shallow
kanila?
now, DPS. Is awesome in 3, 2, 1. Is now. Shallow. Come back. Demon.
Demon.
Nice demon. Just hold. Hold, guys. Just hold.
17 seconds.
May nag-GA pa sa kanila, pre?
Yo, come back to the second. Yo. 55 pa pala.
Putang
Ang ina,
ina.
Carlos.
10 seconds.
Inch up a bit. Oh, this is a pick.
Oh, yan. Na-fake.
Yo, shallow now.
Ready.
Wait. Hold on, ready?
Ready.
Perma ready, Perma ready.
Wait. Yo, northeast gate in 3,
Hindi mo na.
2, 1.
Guard run now.
Shallow. Nice kill.
Patay.
Come back.
Ready demons.
Come back, guys.
Drop ako Judy ah.
Hindi mo na.
Fuck no ah.
It's okay, I'm good.
Okay. Ilang percent yung gate?
Come back to the second gate. Come back. Tanks, hold.
Open.
Hold. Come here. Just come here.
13. 10.
Hold there.
Perma,
Wait.
13.
Yo, don't go out.
5.
Nag-back.
Don't go out.
Ready.
Come southeast a bit.
Namatay ata yung caller ata yun eh.
Come southeast.
Pinag-pull nila tayo.
Nag-mount up sila.
Yo, catch.
Namatay yung caller, Pax. Namatay yung caller.
Try to catch. The
Nice.
fuck?
May isang nakadis. Ano to? Putang ina.
Oh god, cheater.
Rogue cut eh.
Kala ko
Caller?
Pansin to eh. Namatay yung caller kanina. Yung ano. Nahatak.
Hindi yan sinabi par. Ina, mumukit ko yun. Tangina, guguchi nun.
Kagipay.
Oo, tayo na. Ula yung ano nila.
Fuck.
Yung...
Ang laki ng blob. Ano yan?
Sabi na nga ba, caller yun eh. Kasi naka-ano.
Caller pala yun.
Electron.
Hindi yan
Oo.
sinabi.
Sino? Ano may naman?
Nakamark yung caller nun ah.
Gago.
Yung Heron.
Oh, bulok yun ni
Hindi, hindi
Jay.
yun. May Earthron sila. Yun yung caller nila.
May Earthron sila. Okay.
Regrouping siguro.
May safe zone
Let
dito
them
ah.
regroup.
T7.
Guys. Hayaan natin. Sabihin nyo, chat nyo, sino yung nakapatay? One more. Dito lang.
Andito lang sila. Sige lang, re-regroup yan.
Sige lang. Ba't may PC? Kaano nila?
Nakisalo yan.
Iba yan.
Yeah, let
Grupo
them
yan, ah.
regroup, guys. Let
Brawl
them
yan, bro.
Just hold. Yeah, fight.
Ang bibilis ng DPS
Hindi yung
niya.
ano? Wag na lang. Sa akin na lang tong loot.
Nawawala buhay nila sa demon ng
Sakit ng DPS.
Ang galing ng DPS niya.
Galing ng DPS Di mga tulog.
Nice.
Inggit si Tir.
Pagdating kay Tir, antok eh.
Inaantok ko DPS. Hindi, takot kasi sa kite carry. Nag-aalinlangan sila. Natatrash to kasi pag nagkamali.
Kasi. Huwag kayo matakot kay Tir.
Magrason lang kayo pag nagkamali kayo. Ganun lang.
Trash talkin mo din.
Kain na lang kayo
pag nagkamali siya.
kasama. Gagod daw. Natatrash talk. Tangina nyo.
Kasi nagdala pa na ito.
Kumakay sila par.
Isipin mo, na-delete yung ano nila, caller.
Ang color. Gawago.
Wala sila deep. Wala sila defensive na
May imong
Dapig
utin.
eh.
Imong utin.
Wala sila demon, di ba? Judy lang.
Judy.
May PSC. May PSC ah.
Magmamas yan.
Nakamas sila, nakabrol.
Kamas yan.
Oo.
Full brawl.
Mas masakit nga yung
Dear
TGI.
guys.
Ay, tangina, di pa tumama.
Ayun,
Yo, don't loot the castle, okay?
Dismounted.
Dismounted yun lang ah.
Come sa atin.
Habol ko ata, mahabol ko.
Yo.
Engaging nga, 3.
Sino ba yan? Sino ba yan?
PSC.
Yo, andyan na.
Oh, andyan na sila, PSC.
Come back. Sila ba yan? Yung ano, mga TJ?
Iba yan, iba.
Ay, ba rin to?
Brawl comp yung ano,
Bro,
Sige.
yan.
highlight color.
Okay. Mga marunong to.
Kung mag-annold kaya to?
Magkano data yan?
Eh, di mag-anold sila.
Babasagan nila yung west, the southeast yung isa.
Kaya lang.
Yo, camera. Come out. Drone, come out.
Kasama
Yo,
TGIF at saka PSC.
Pakatch. Wait, hold there.
Bawasan mo na agad. Nang mabigyan.
Oh, fuck. Sobrang good.
Yo, pakatch di tank.
Bigyan natin
Magbigay
ng
ako
jacket.
pa ka.
Malaw naman kayo.
Sobrang good.
Yo, look
Sige.
is now. 3, 2, 1, is now. Kill this guy. Come back.
Sayang.
Okay, it's okay.
Kala ko di mo abot.
Ay, nasa likod na Pax ha.
NGA ako.
Pax, nasa likod na Pax, West.
Yeah, come back guys. Come back kayo.
Mula sa loob na.
Yeah.
Sa loob na.
Loob na pre.
9
Pwede
seconds.
mag-out niya.
TGIF to,
Yeah,
TGIF.
it's okay.
5 seconds.
Spread.
Sandy.
Click. Spread.
Tama,
Ready, cool down. Yo,
Tama, ready.
napik now.
Nagiga na yan.
Yo, ready, cool down. Ready? Just hold. Keep rolling. Click.
Nag-boost na.
Low. Yo, look south on the ground. 3, 2, 1, south now on the ground. Big. Nice.
Boom, nice.
Roll.
Ready, demon,
Yo,
sir.
come down.
Demon. Kill this Astral.
Mamatay ah. 7 po, mamatay.
Astral dead.
Yo, walk in northwest. Walk in. Keep going. Just keep going, guys. Keep going. Yo, cool down. Ready, cool down.
Judy.
Cool down.
Ready.
Ready.
Five,
Yo,
five
southwest deep.
seconds.
3. Wait. Hold. Just hold. Just hold.
Up.
Wait. Yo, come back, Norris. Come back. Another blob. Come
Dismounted.
back. Sino yan?
Dali. Pasok ko si Kaido.
Coalition. Tangina mo, 29 DA. Need natin mag-pull out.
Gago namatay yung Astral Pax
29
na bawasag.
29. Kuha, coalition.
Laki niyan, Pax.
29 yan.
May isa pa Pax
Gagi,
sa taas.
ba't-
Yo, loot.
Ilot niyo yung castle.
Batap.
Ito castle, mantap.
Agad.
Go.
Castle lot.
I-open nyo lang. I-open lang. Okay na yun. Dali.
Papatayan sila sa labas ah.
Yo,
Mga
loot.
Gucci yan eh. Loot, basta. Gago Pax, namatay yung 7-4. Di ko na-loot. Ay, na-loot ko yung
Ako nalot ko yung 7-3 na debreaker.
Basag yung 7
Yo.
basag.
Yo, someone dismounted here. Okay, be careful.
Dismounted. Go back. Southwest. Lahat kayo
Ang inang
Southwest.
DA yan.
Go back Southwest. Faster.
Yawa.
Ayun.
Putang ina.
Yo,
alis na kayo.
Southwest. Dismounted on the Southwest gate. Dismounted
Careful,
Southwest gate.
careful guys. Careful. Just spread and run.
Southwest and northeast. Northwest.
Ina, 29 DA. Ano bang nangyayari sa kanila?
Okay na yan, Pak. Panalo na tayo.
Putang
Ako,
ina,
paldo kami.
Inang yun. Nabasag yung 7-4 niya Pax. Gago.
Yung
Kaso
blue, yung blue tsaka
Oh,
green,
basag.
mag-west kayo.